China faces another threat to its arable land, one even the Great Wall is powerless to resist. Northern China is drying up. Increased demand for water is draining even underground supplies. Land is turning to sand. Once this was cropland, then the sand came. Many fled, abandoning their homes and farms.
The top of the sandhill was even taller than the roof of our house. Sometimes the sand totally buried the crops. If the sand was not too deep, we would dig them out. We had to plant 3-4 times every year and still didn't get any good crops. I decided to find a way to stop the sand moving. I struggled with the sand. I wanted to win.
Yu Wei-ching's neighbors laughed when she started to plant trees. And more trees. 20 years later, she and her family have planted millions of trees in the desert.
I will create green land till I die. As long as I can get up and move, I will keep on planting. I will spend my whole life in the desert, planting trees and beating back the sand. I hope to turn the desert into an oasis, a place with birds and flowers. The desert will disappear.
Today, nobody laughs at Mrs. New. Her tree campaign has made her a national hero of the government's reforestation program, a symbol for a government that believes in the power of great mass campaigns, model citizens, and people who triumph over the elements. As the local school children hail their hero with a song of devotion, somewhere in China, another field is lost to drought or to development. China may well become a 21st century superpower, but a question hovers over its future. Can the ancient, indomitable will of the Chinese people save the heaven that is food?